Alright, we're ready to rock.
Alright, I'll try to keep it. I'm gonna go slow, dude, because I don't want your camera getting destroyed.
I think she'll be alright.
Senor?
Sure, senor.
I'm just gonna kind of drift her.
Take her light.
Uphill though, she might start kicking out a little.
Okay.
So watch it.
Alright.
That's why backwards might have been better.
That's what, then you don't get the effect. I'm a cameraman, remember.
Are you ready?
Yes. Alright. Here we go. There's it. Side by side. Woo! Perfect. On the corner up the hill. Oh yeah. Woo! Oh. Woo! And he saves the camera.
You alright?
Yep. Ow.